Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy exploding origami. So it may look like nothing now, like it's just a normal piece of paper. Like what could be so good? Until you pull these sides and boom, it easily just pops up like that. And all you gotta do, go on these two creases and you just fold them back into its place. And then maybe fold these a bit more, and then fold these to the middle. And then it's simply easy putting back. And it could just keep exploding it. So I made this out of a 10-inch square, as you can easily tell since it's a lot bigger than if it made out of a 6-inch square. And it makes a lot warmer. So I'm gonna try and put something to hold it down. Let's see. Probably a little too. It's an extremely cool mod. Alright. It's super simple. What you're going to want to do is fold in half. And then fold in half again. And fold all the triangles to the middle, creases, or to the lines. Here's home, what's up? Every good girl wants what it is, oh, what's up? And then flip over and fold in half, that. And then go the other direction and fold in half. Then open this and unfold. Now it's like this. So you should, once you unfold that, have two to the middle. So then flip over and then just fold both of these pieces to the middle line. What it is, huh? That just makes it easier to fold. Now you could already have the exploding part, but this is kind of lame, and it doesn't make the exploding sound. So fold the whole entire thing in half. Make sure to hold the layers down so it kind of looks like a rocket ship. And then fold both of them to the middle. And then that's it. Easy. Now you've made the super easy exploding origami. See which one is lighter. The first one, or the second one, the more cleaner one. I feel like this one's a bit louder. So here's how to put it back. So fold both creases to the middle again. That. And then just flip over, just redo everything, you know what I mean? And it's going to be easier, you're going to have to kind of crease it the same, but then just fold to the crease, you don't have to fold it in half. You got to do all that again, but it's not too much work. And you could just keep exploding it. Exploding origami. Super easy, and then just repeat. You could also just kind of do this. Actually, never mind. It's a little easier just redoing everything. Middle. You don't have to crease it as good. Tell me what you think explodes better. Hold on, that one kind of. Tell me what you think explodes better. Super nice origami. And I've also tried to like sort of fold this back and that back a little, but look at what it does. really not doing anything, you can tell. So just kind of keep it. Kind of seems like a lock for this, but I guess I can unlock. It kind of depends how hard you do it though. Like if you do it really hard, don't do it extremely hard because that could rip the paper. And yeah, that's all I have. And also to make it a bit easier than just folding these, you could just fold on that piece and then fold it. I don't know, that doesn't really work. But bye.